Ever feel lost when your car makes a weird sound or lights up the dashboard? You're not alone. According to a study by AAA, most drivers don't know how to do even basic car maintenance. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a mechanic to take care of your ride. Let's start simple. Check your oil level. It only takes 2 minutes, and it helps your engine last longer. Next up, I'll show you exactly how to check it. No stress, bro. Checking oil is easy. Just pop the hood, find the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it, then dip it again. If the level's too low, your engine's running dry. That's bad. Make sure the oil sits between the low and full marks. If not, top it up using the oil type listed in your manual. Do this once a month or before any long trip. Your engine will thank you. Let's move on to another small job with big results. Tire pressure. Underinflated tires are no joke. They waste gas and wear out faster. The U.S. Department of Energy says proper tire pressure can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Use a simple tire pressure gauge. They're cheap and easy. Check the label on your driver's door for the right PSI, then inflate or deflate as needed. Coming up, we're keeping those tires safe with a quick tread test. Look at you, buddy. You're doing what most people skip. These little steps protect your car, your wallet, and your peace of mind. You don't need to know everything. Just start where you are. One fix at a time. Now let's make sure those tires grip the road like they should. Worn-out tires are dangerous, especially in rain. Here's a trick. Take a penny and stick Lincoln's head down in the tread. If you can see all of his head, your tire's too worn. If the tread's low, it's time to rotate, replace, or inspect for damage. Check your tires every few months or before road trips. Now let's move inside and clean out something people often ignore. Your cabin air filter keeps the air in your car fresh, but it gets dirty fast. Auto experts recommend changing it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. It's usually behind the glove box. Pop it open, slide out the old one, and slide in the new. Clean air equals better breathing, less allergy, and stronger AC flow. Ready for something just as easy, but under the hood? You're learning the basics, bro, and that's all it takes to be in control. You don't have to be a car guy, you just have to care enough to check. Every action you take now, that's one less problem down the road. Now let's talk about wiper blades. Ever get caught in the rain with streaky wipers? Bad wipers make driving unsafe and stressful. Most blades need replacing every 6 to 12 months. You can change them yourself in under 5 minutes. Buy the right size, unclip the old one, and snap the new one on. Next up, a super quick fix that helps your lights shine brighter. Cloudy headlights don't just look bad, they cut visibility at night. A headlight restoration kit or even toothpaste can help clean them up. Rub it in circles, rinse, dry, and boom. Clearer lights. It's cheap, simple, and improves safety big time. Let's check under the hood again, this time for the battery. Hey buddy, you've already done more than most drivers ever try. You're not just fixing things, you're building confidence step by step. The more you learn, the more you save, and the better your ride runs. Now let's keep that battery happy and healthy. Your car battery powers everything, from the engine start to the radio. Pop the hood and check for corrosion, that white or green stuff on the terminals. Clean it gently with baking soda, water, and an old toothbrush. Check that the cables are tight. Loose ones can mess with the electrical system. Now, let's top off some fluids your car depends on. Your car needs more than just oil. Check the coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid too. Most tanks are labeled. Just look at the minimum and maximum lines. Top off as needed, and never open the coolant tank when the engine's hot. Next, a quick fix to stop annoying sounds. You see now? Basic car maintenance isn't scary. It's empowering. You're not just reacting to problems, you're preventing them. And that, bro, is how you stay safe, save cash, and take pride in your ride. Let's fix those squeaks next. Annoying squeaks when you open your car door? That's just dry hinges. Grab a can of WD-40 or silicone spray. Open and close the door while spraying the hinge. Quick, easy, and your doors will open smooth again. Next, we're getting your emergency kit in shape. Flat tire, dead battery. Your emergency kit saves the day. At the very least, keep a spare tire, jack, jumper cables, flashlight, gloves, and water in your trunk. You don't have to build it overnight. Just start with the basics and build from there. Trust me, future you will be thankful. Now let's protect your paint without a full car wash. Bird poop or tree sap on your paint. Don't wait too long. Use a clean microfiber cloth and some water or detailing spray. Wipe gently so it doesn't leave marks. These little cleanups protect your paint in the long run. Time to check your car's brain. The warning lights. Bro, all of this? It's self-care. But for your car. And just like your body, the better you treat it, the longer it runs smooth. You've come this far. Let's keep going strong. Almost there. Dashboard lights telling you something? Don't ignore them. That check engine light might be small, but it's serious. Use an OBD2 scanner. You can get one cheap. To check what's wrong. It saves you time and gives you info before heading to the mechanic. Last stop. The final recap and your action plan. So let's recap, bro. You now know how to check oil, tires, fluids, battery, wipers, air filter, and more. You've got tools, tips, and tricks to keep your car running right. You don't have to do it all today. Just start small and stay consistent. You've got this. Now here's how to share the knowledge. If you found this helpful, like, share, and comment your own car care experience. Got tips? Questions? Drop them below. We're in this together. Disclaimer. Always consult a professional mechanic for serious issues. If you have any physical limitations or health conditions, speak with a medical expert before doing maintenance.